Okay, we got it off the truck. This is it. Got pretty much everything with it. They're going to find an alternator for it and a starter. That's what we're missing now, and a you know, an airflow sensor. I have the AC compressor and the power steering pump out in the car. I mean, in the back of the truck. So, looks pretty good. Not a whole lot of wiring harness issues. This is where the harness plugs into the fuse box. Not quite sure what that went to, but might not be part of the engine stuff. We'll find out later. That's the round plug. There's the transmission, which for an automatic transmission, that is. Seems like these engines have some kind of a cover on top of the intake manifold, because this part here isn't actually part of it. It's just a cover. It's got a flex plate on it. Gonna have to get a flywheel for it to mount the clutch on. That's where the starter goes. I imagine this is probably the starter wire here, or what it used to be. Looks like they cut that off to get the starter out. So we'll be replacing that cable. That's not too big of a deal. Just the back of it. That's where the stock Chevy motor mounts go, so they will probably be coming off. It's got a big ass throttle body. Unfortunately, it's throttled by wire, so motor driven. That's some of the battery cables. Unfortunately, the dipstick didn't make it. It broke when I pulled it out, so luckily I got it out. And there's the computer. We'll have to figure out what we can do with that. That's it for now.